Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing this green eye makeup look. I love it so much. So without wasting more of your time, let's get into the video so that I show you how I achieved this look. I've already gone ahead and done my eyebrows and prepared my eyelids for the makeup look, so I'm just gonna go into okay, so I'm gonna go into a very light brown, and that's going to be my transitioning color. Okay, now I'm just going to get my other brush and I'm going to go into a little something deeper, like a darker brown, really not that different, but just a slightly darker. Okay, I'm going to switch palettes and I'm going to be using this palette now, and I'm gonna go for an even darker color, and I'm just gonna put that in the corners, in the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just gonna bring it a bit higher because I want my cut crease to cut a little high. Alright, so next I am going to clean up my eyebrows using a Vaseline. So this will be the first time I'll be doing this, so I'm kind of testing it out. So I'm going to be cleaning this part out so that we can cut our crease. I'm gonna grab some Vaseline and we're just gonna cut our crease. I'm gonna grab a little earbag and I'm just gonna cut my crease. I'm just gonna grab the brush that I used with my dark brown. I'm just gonna clean that out. Now I'm going to use some translucent powder and I am just going to set that. Now I am just going to grab my brush. It's more like a detail brush, and I am going to go into a dark green and I'm just gonna pat that on. I don't know, am I the only one whose eyes get all red and watery when I'm doing my makeup? Because my eyes are pretty sensitive, guys, so anything that comes to my eyes, they're gonna get red, so don't mind that. So just gonna go over with the brown, just kind of help that blend in. Now I'm just going to line my eyes with liquid eyeliner, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face off camera, and I'm gonna be back with my final look. So this is the look. It's a look, it's a look, it's definitely a look. So if you guys like this tutorial, let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos, because I don't really do makeup videos on my channel. So let me know if you guys want to see more of this. You know, it's no ordinary look, because I mean, look at it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.